don't know, Repair Cafe is a pop-up event where you have volunteers who know how to fix different stuff, and anybody from the community can bring anything they have that's broken, and we'll try and help you fix it for free. I love Repair Cafes. I first heard about them a number of years ago. It's an initiative that started in the Netherlands, and it's one of those ideas that kind of like, of course, that's such a great idea. And for a couple of years, it just kind of sat there being like, that's such a good idea. What can I do about it? And I kept thinking this idea wouldn't stop percolating in my head. So one year for our Earth Day theme, I kind of massaged it into a DIY theme. So the theme was make it, grow it, fix it, share it. And I thought, this is the year. This is my opportunity. So I applied for a New Horizons for Seniors grant through the federal government. And we ended up getting that. And we're able to launch in 2018. And we started looking for volunteers. We started looking for people to donate materials and supplies and tools. Haney Builders came through with this great toolbox. Somebody had obviously had a lot of fun going through the store and being like, okay, if I was going to repair stuff, what would I repair? So they gave us lots of glue, lots of screwdrivers, tools, just all sorts of stuff, clamps, stuff that I wouldn't have thought of. But they were great. That was a very generous donation and really got us started. We were ambitious, of course. So we were like, okay, it's not just going to be fixing appliances. We're going to do appliances and jewelry and bikes and all sorts of different stuff. And there's all the sewing stuff. So we gathered all of it to do that. And we had our first event back in 2018 and kind of a cool launch for it. And we had over 70 items brought to the Repair Cafe.